Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss. Are you ready to take your AI art to the next level? Today's adventure is all about unlocking hidden artistic styles that will leave you absolutely amazed. I am thrilled to guide you through 10 powerful art prompts that will reveal styles you never knew existed. Your friends will be left wondering, how did you create that? But only you will hold the secret to these hidden styles. But before we dive into our prompts, let's kick things off with a fun guessing game. Can you guess the style prompts behind these unique butterfly images? They were all created in Midjourney, and just one or two words transformed the entire style. I even kept the seed the same, so it is the style words that are changing the image. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of our 10 powerful art prompts. These prompts will unlock styles that range from abstract expressionism to Vorticism and beyond. Whether you are an experienced prompter or just getting started, these prompts work like magic. Let's warm up with some artistic abstraction. Abstract art simplifies or distorts reality into colors, lines, and shapes by passing literal representation. We'll all explore various types of art. First up, abstract expressionism. It's a modern American art style that expresses ideas and emotions through abstract shapes, colors, and textures. The paint is often dripped, splashed, or smeared onto the canvas, creating spontaneous bursts of color and emotion. Slash imagine trees in abstract expressionism. Slash imagine girl in school, abstract expressionism. Next, let's dive into Meander Art. This style features continuous lines forming repeated patterns, often twisting and turning in on themselves. It's a mesmerizing dance of lines and swirls. Slash imagine trees in meander. Slash imagine girl in school, meander. And speaking of swirls, we move on to Vorticism, a modern abstract style that captures the chaos and modern world. Bold shapes, sharp angles, and swirly forms create energetic compositions that evoke a sense of movement. Slash imagine girl in school, Vorticism. Slash imagine trees in Vorticism. Now, let's shift gears and explore the Bauhaus style, a modern German art movement that integrates form and function. Think clean lines, minimalistic designs, and sleek geometric shapes with a modernist flair. Slash imagine girl in school, Bauhaus. Art is all about light and shadow, and our next styles take these elements to new heights. Silhouettes reduce subjects to their basic shapes, focusing on outlines and form. Slash imagine girl in school silhouette design. Slash imagine trees in silhouette style. And then we travel to Indonesia to discover Wayang Kulit, an ancient art form featuring intricately carved leather shadow puppets. When lit from behind, they come to life with vivid colors and unique Indonesian details. Slash imagine girl in school Wayang. Slash imagine trees in Wayang. Shifting to a different technique, stippling employs tiny strategically placed dots to create tone, texture and depth. The result is mesmerizing pointillistic look. Slash imagine girl in school stippling. Slash imagine trees stippling. Now, let's explore some digital art styles. Glitch art celebrates the beauty of digital disruptions, creating fragmented shapes, jagged colors, and visual static that transform accidents into artistic effects. Slash imagine vintage girl in school, glitch art. Slash imagine trees, glitch art. Low poly art inspired by low polygon 3D models uses angular geometric forms and a minimalistic aesthetic to craft complex subjects through a mosaic-like arrangement of colors and textures. Slash imagine girl in school low poly art. Slash imagine trees low poly art. Lastly, we delve into data moshing, a digital art technique that manipulates media files, data to create visual glitches. The result is surreal, distorted, and psychedelic digital masterpiece. Slash imagine girl in school, data meshing. /imagine freeze data meshi. If this video has ignited your creativity, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more art and tech magic. Thank you for today.